Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ibrahim Malik. So I won't take a lot of your time since Dia has already appreciated most of the host team and the school management. I just want to point out that during MUNs, a lot of people seem to forget the pressure and the burden on the shoulders of the executive council. And with respect to the executive council, I want to point out one individual who I relate to a lot, and that individual is Raza Razi. A huge round of applause for Raza. Raza has undoubtedly done justice to Daniel's legacy and Pota Harman's legacy as well. With respect to the committee, the entire committee was full of first timers, and it is unheard of that a committee full of first timers like this has such fiery and such competitive debate. And the delegate who won the best delegate award, the BD award, did not seem to have the potential on day one or day two, but their efforts and their ability to notice things and details on the very last day have undoubtedly qualified them for the best delegate award. The best delegate of SOCM for Port Harmon 23 is the delegate of Pakistan.